It's the 6th of October 2021, and welcome to Storm Morning Debrief. Just to go over yesterday, it was quite an eventful day in US markets. You had obviously tech rebound, decent move out of some of the FANG names. Whether that is a dead cat bounce is to be determined, I think. Personally, I do feel it is. You've got yields rising quite aggressively this morning with the 10-year yield up to 157, sort of breaking out of that range. So just have a quick look at some of these indicators, starting with the dollar. I think dollar also had a little bit of reprieve initially in the session, got a little bit of a bid out of some of the PGM space, and then sort of faded into the close. I think a lot of it will be determined to today's ADP report, so we'll keep an eye on that. I think keep an eye on 94.50, sort of the breakout area. US 10-year yield also similarly quite important to watch and keep an eye on. I think we do have a material, higher 10-year yield that we're going to have for the next little while. So let's see how equity markets take on that. So just to bear those two things in mind, looking at our market yesterday, I thought we were really, really strong. Decent bit out of most, especially the PGM and NASPers, and decent buying, I think, around. We'll see if that continues today. I think our market's been a bit of one day on, one day off, which has been quite frustrating. This morning, you got Billy's is up 0.3%. Copper's off a little bit. We've got the Rand a little bit weaker at around 15.09, 15.10. And sort of the Aussie at this quite a pivotal point at 48,200, which I think sort of make or break going forward. I think we need to really get above there to have any material move higher. Looking at ideas for the day, I think yesterday we were quite good in terms of Telkom and Sappi. They traded really, really well. Today, my focus will be on probably we're going to have a little go at EOH, have a look at watch at the stock. A really decent trading update, I thought. Let's see how the market takes it today. I think there is still quite a large short positioning in the stock. Just a few levels. I think 840 was where it was up at May, and 960. So this is where it can go. Let's see how the market takes to this trading update, and hopefully you can have a further bit of a continuation pattern. Then I think another one, Discovery's been really, really resilient and tough. I think this is another one where positioning is everything. I think the market is also still quite short of this one. I haven't really spoken too much about it, but I think the stock really can also get going. And sort of the 150, 152 areas, somewhere to look at if as soon as the market does show strength, which might not be today. So looking to today, I think we must pay attention to maybe playing some shorts. FirstRand is one that has had some decent volume. I think it's been top 4, top 5 of all the stocks on the JSE volume-wise. So, pay attention to it. I think there's been some decent sellers here. I think if the stock can't get above 62.70, this is a decent little short on the day. Pay attention there for FirstRand. There's a short idea. And then I think if the market is, reasonably strong and holds in there quite well, I think, we can maybe have a look at Anglo Gold. Traded well again across the water. Keep an eye on Anglo Gold. I think 240, 236 is sort of areas of support. I do feel that it might be a little bit challenging for it to get going. I think Bitcoin's dominance at the moment has sort of maybe taken the wind out of gold sales. I think there's been a bit two-way action in NASPers, so that might be one to watch as well. So the main ideas today will be watching EOH, FirstRand seller, NASPers two-way plan, and see if the Aussie can hold in there. Good luck for today.